this opportunity to tell my fellow Kenyans that they passed on this morning at 5:20. He passed away peacefully. I was by his side, and as a family we've accepted, and mine is just to give my heartfelt gratitude to all Kenyans and non-Kenyans for the prayers and thoughts that have been given to Mzee and to our family. Thank you all, and God bless you all. Thank you.
This is Senator George Haniri. Yes. From the Senator about Bihiga.
Yeah.
George Haniri.
Your Excellency.
So much. Nasir. Kijana Nasir,
where it am Nasir mzee? Oh, father alikuwa rafiki yako sana. Sorry.
Very late.
Yes.
Nasir.
Yes. Kamket.
Yeah.
Ile hapo.
No.
Thank you.
Well, delighted to see you.
Thank you. Yes.
Kwanda tengeneza pesa mingi bwana.
What?
Utaenda njaa.
That means
in other countries, you no, you was the one who was saying if it was.
Did you actually run?
Yes, I was a victim of
The same character.
analytica. Yes. Regards from Mama. Ameniambia nikupatie salamu.
Very much indeed.
Yes.
As mine.
I will definitely do that. I will definitely.
Yes.
Thank you.
So even happy to see you.
We can excuse them, you know.
This leg here.
Yes.
Yeah.
You told me.
So. They corrected it. They're making noise.
Yes. Very few people have not known what it means by unity.
Yes.
Once you touch one,
Yes.
you can easily split
Yes.
and you build a mountain.
Yes.
Problem.
Exactly. So see, they didn't understand. They are misunderstanding this.
Yeah.
Because all of them are looking at 2022.
Yeah.
And I'm telling them, let us first now bring the country together.
Yeah.
Because it unites the country. And speak with one voice as one
Very
people.
good. Yes.
But
The unity with Uhuru is part with you and so on.
yes.
That's the best for the country.
Exactly.
It can be built properly
Yes.
without hatred.
No, without hatred.
Mm-hmm.
You see, I saw that we were going the long routes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Come this way.
Come this way.
With mine.
Tampatia mama salamu. Tunakukaribisha sana. Asante.
Senator.
Yes. Mzee. Thank you, Mzee. Mungu aendelee kukubariki.
Okay.
Thank you.
Tuendelee kule.
Yeah. First, yes? For the second.
This time of the morning.
Mtoto round. My friend. Yes sir. Habari ya siku mingi. Mambo namna gani? Yeah? Asante. Habari yako? You got this man. Masters. Well done. Habari yako wewe? Mambo namna gani? Kabisa. Salama?
Power ya urais. Power iko kwa wananchi, na sisi tu ni wadhamini yao, na ndio nataka kuambia wananchi wetu wanaotafuta democracy, tafadhali muwe na principle ya kuamini yale mnayoamini. Haiwezekani kiongozi kuruka hapa, kesho anaruka hapa, kesho anaruka hapa. Iwe unaamini kwamba naingia chama cha KANU kwa sababu gani? Uingii tu kwa sababu ni chama cha KANU. Lazima kuangalia kwa makini mwongozo wa KANU ni nini, na unasema chama hiki kinanifaa na nitakaa hapo kukiwapo nini. Hiyo kitawasaidia. Nasema haya kwa sababu nitaondoka kwa siasa ya moto. Mimi kwa raia mwema, lakini wale wanaozingatia kuongoza, msiweke Kenya chini, msiweke msingi wa siasa zenu kwa chuki. Kama yuko mtu ametukana mimi, namsamehe. Na kama yuko mtu ambaye nimesema chochote ambaye kimeumiza roho yake, unisamehe.
Tulipata message. Yes, and Gideon alikuja akatuletea. Yes sir. Sometime in Germany. In fact, Gideon was almost coming. There's a country constituency.
You are now buying small, but there are many who get down.
Thank you
Very much. I wish you success.
His Excellency.
You know them. Yes, sir. You know them. Wakinishinda nitakuletea. Be careful.
Yeah, very good.
He was in excellent spirit. He gave us absolutely good advice on national unity, and even advised the young ones amongst us on how to work slowly until they get there. So we want to thank God for Mzee. He's actually given us a lot of time, and we ate with him, which is very important. He gave us, in fact, I was wondering whether we've eaten enough. So this is tremendous, but his call for national unity at this particular time is, I think, is a clarion call. All of us are talking about building bridges. We have to reach out to each other, and when we do, I think it's tremendous. Of course, he was able to condole with me. And he sent our brother Gideon to bring his message of